Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the mid of September 2025. Yep. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, what we have for Scorpio in the health sector? Let's see. We have the Ten of Wands. Okay, too much of responsibilities and not taking care of your health can bring you a lot of bone pain kind of thing. First of all, you have to let go of the emotional baggage that you are carrying around on your head. Hmm? Back pain, backache, eyesight issues, migraine, headache issues, or body feeling heavy all the time. These kind of issues are going to pop up because of your own not being able to take care of your health kind of thing. It's like, and don't overeat, don't overdoing anything with your health is going to make your health drop drastically. Hmm. For most of you, it's related to your bones, related to your back pain, posture, cervical spondylitis. Oh, you can have digestive issues also because wands is directly related to air. Beware of taking too much on your plate. Maybe you are joining a party or family gathering or something, and you're overeating or overdoing something or over exhausting yourself, not taking rest or not giving rest to your digestive system, and it's going to kind of backfire, and you will not be able to handle it easily. It's going to be a task for you to handle it now, right? So beware of those kind of things. Again, don't overdo, overexert, or ever overexhaust yourself by anything. And your digestive system too. For you, the guidance here is the Emperor. You have to take the charge of your health in your own hands, Scorpio, and stop playing around with your health. You have to be, you have gone through similar kind of issues in the past as well, and maybe you healed or recovered, and now you are repeating the same kind of thing again, and that you should not be. Do not take your health for granted. Might be you are a young person right now and you feel like you will be able to recover. Sometimes it's difficult for us to get recovered, and that then we regret. So basically, take the charge of of your health in your own hands. Do not take your health for granted, and do whatever it takes with your experience, with your knowledge, to keep your health on track, to keep your health in check. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult for you to recover, and it's not going to be easy breezy. It's going to be difficult. You choose now. Okay. Let's see, for those of you who are doing job or working for others, how it is going to be for you guys, Scorpio. Ah, 10 of Wands again? What's. Honey, you are taking too much on your plate. You are overthinking, you are overworking, you are overexhausting yourself. Definitely, your health is also suffering because of your work related stress. Hmm? You might not be in the position to, take help from somebody, but try not to take too much responsibilities on your shoulders as if the world is, you know, working because of you only. Wow, this is stressful. Your work is very stressful. And then it's like and you're working, and boom, you are going to feel burnt out and you're going to feel drained. You're not going to enjoy it if you are going to do it the way you are doing it. It might be certain responsibility added to you oh my god, what's this? Okay. Certain responsibility, workload added to your work, and you are getting drained, or you're trying to do so many things at the same time and it's kind of killing you slowly. For you, the guidance here is the lovers. You have to make a choice, you have to make a decision here whether this job or career that you are doing is good for you, or you should change it altogether, or you should change the strategy, the way you work. Because right now whatever you are doing is not working out in your favor. In fact, it is slowly but surely having a very direct and negative impact on your health also. So you have to make a choice and decision of how to handle this properly. That's very very important for you guys to understand. Wow. Difficult but not impossible. Your health should be your number one priority, and then comes the money and everything else, right? Okay, do not take too much on your plate that you will not be able to digest, because then it is going to be difficult for you to let it come out, right? No results. What's the use of doing that? Try to not to. I can understand a lot of us can't do that, but try not to overdo. Let's see, for those of you who are having their own business or self-employed, how it is going to be for you guys. Come on. King of Cups. Okay, for self-employed people, it is going to be a very beautiful energy of being content, being happy about your career, being happy about the way things are going, handling things with emotional maturity, and being very very content with the progress that you are making in your business thing. And you're going to feel like, okay, eventually things are working out in your favor. Eventually, you are feeling where you are feeling like you are there, where you always wanted to be. Maybe not completely there, but you're reaching there, and it's going to make you feel very comfortable, very grounded. Although a little bit of overwhelming energies are going to be there in the background, but you will be able to get your shit together and keep going in a beautiful and positive way. Awesome. For you, the guidance is the Six of Wands. You are the shining star, and you are doing everything right from your side in order to achieve the goals that you're looking forward to have. The only guidance here is that you should keep your ego in check. Wherever you are going, whatever you are doing is working out, Scorpio. But don't be in this egoistic or negative attitude kind of energy that only I can achieve this, or see what I'm achieving. I should just see everyone else as a negative person, or not doing anything, or they are not inspired enough, or they are not good enough. Okay, do not try to belittle others because you are achieving something really good in your life. You should, in fact, share it with others, right? How you achieved it and how you are doing it. That's going to help other people too. If you can help, you should. If you can't, do not try to belittle others, or don't try to see others as somebody that's non-existent for you. Okay, so just beware of this energy and you're good to go. And at the same time, try to understand that this is business. The ups and downs are going to be there. Right now you are in a emotionally good energy, so be flexible enough and mature enough to understand the low days can also be there, and how to navigate through this is important, the ups and downs and the highs and lows, okay, of your life. Cool. Now let's see, for those of you who are trying to seek a new job or trying to start a new business, how it is going to be for you guys, Scorpio. Okay, honey, come here. Knight of Wands. Your actions are going to bring you the good results that you're hoping for in your career area, Scorpio. If you are going to take the action from your side, you will be able to achieve something really meaningful and good at the end of the day. It's it's like your action matters. Your passion, your desire to start something or to get a new job is going to eventually beg you a good job or business opportunity. So the more you are going to be in this energy of let's do it, let's do whatever is possible from my side to achieve something in this direction, the more there are good chances for you to achieve it. Actually, action matters a lot. Actions with mindfulness. Hmm? So you will be able to achieve something really good. You will be able to start a career or a business opportunity or job opportunity. You will be able to get it with sheer energy of taking action. Even if there are lots of obstacles and challenges on the path on the way, you will be able to achieve it. Nice. For you, the guidance here, as I told you, Queen of Pentacles, you have to remain grounded and mature enough and understanding enough that wherever you are going, passion is good, being energetic is good. At the same time, try to remain practical also. Practicality should also be there. You should not be in any kind of la la land, or you should not be in this pinky rosy energy of okay, everything is going to be so beautiful, everything is going to be so rosy and lovey dovey, me and my career, me and my business, oh my god. You have to see things from a practical point of view also, and stay grounded. It's very very important for you guys to understand this point also. There are going to be highs and lows. There are going to be things that you need to take care of in the real world too, and then enjoy the success, then enjoy the things that you are working for, because you will eventually get it. But remain practical, grounded and logical. Don't be in any kind of fantasy world or la la land, and then it's going to break your heart or disappoint you only eventually. Okay honey, that you have to take care of. Let's see for your finances how it is going to be for Scorpio people. Judgment, finances. So if your finances are not working out in your favor, it will start working out in your favor. If like you hit the like rock bottom or something happened and you had certain kind of losses or damages, something happened here. Maybe you made a huge purchase or something and you were not able to save, or you were not able to invest. Now is the time that you will be able to do that again. It's like starting from the scratch, or bringing some kind of dead thing to back to life. So your finances will start improving from this point onwards. There are very good chances that you will be able to start something or restart something in your financial sector, and it will start giving you results. Very slow, very gentle, but it will, it's like you sowing the seeds right now and you will get the results maybe in a year or two. Yeah, that's the deal with your finances. So something that's not working out right now, or something that's kind of fizzled, it will start working out eventually. It will start showing you the results, slow and steady. Hmm. It's like you healing your energies with your finances, and they're like financial energy responding back to you in a positive way. Awesome. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Cups. Yes, don't be excited, be happy, and just do it. Whatever small amount, whatever small investments, whatever small things you can do, little things you can do with all of your heart and soul regarding your finances, just do that. Don't think this is only 100 rupees, this is only $5, and what difference it's going to make in my finances. Don't worry about it. It is going to make a huge difference in the coming future for you. Right now might be not, you might not be able to see that. Eventually you will. So do whatever it takes from your side in a loving and compassionate way, not in a mindless or you can say restless way. In a loving and compassionate way, whatever contribution you can give from your side to start or initiate your financial things, just do that. And you will get good results eventually. With love, with compassion. I don't know why I'm doing this again. Okay and have become my slangs these days, so bear with me. Anyways, this is what I have for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.